God. Lakad nga tayo ng mabilis. Medyo nakakainis. God, gas-gas ko naman yung sapatos. Alam mo, maganda yung sapatos ko kasi medyo, magasgasan, bakit? Lalo na sa hindi mainit. Yeah. Heading to school na. I have this 10 pesos taho. Tada!
Ilang ating katabi. Manatili po tayo nakatayo para sa isang...
What is the English of this? Mustache. Yeah.
Mustache.
I have a mustache.
Bigote.
In Tagalog, bigot. And this one is a bird.
Bird.
Bird. Look, the pen. Oh.
That's not a pen.
That is Aquan.
You're making a memory.
No, cousin of the pen. Cousin of the pen. Part of the pen. I know, it's but bayari.
Oh, 20 pesos lang na last ko ah.
Bird. Mikaela, bird.
Bird, oo, yung lumilipad.
Wait, I'm going to post that. So that.
Gago, cut mo.
Yeah, I will cut it. For the memories, like when I graduate college, I will watch this and yeah.
That's me. And you're saying, that's me.
Yeah, I will say that in the future. I might say that. Oh my God, I love the animals. Charot.
Gaga. Magatas yung pass.
Why, Mikaela? Sorry. I feel bad. I should do in our room because Mikaela, you are cleaners. My God, you should helping them. Especially you are the secretary.
Resign na siya as a secretary.
Yeah, I don't have yet. What do they have? Are you going to buy a lunch?
No.
Why not? It's so hot. I think I want
Vegetables.
vegetables. Bilo-bilo?
So, wala ka sa akin?
No. I will make this one blur your face. Is that okay?
okay, if you can.
If you don't want to show, some of the people pronounce the L.
Mas maganda siyang hal. Ano ba?
Yung sa Kabi.
Is it Kavin?
Kabi, yeah.
Kavin, yung yung sa may yung sa may kwarto mo, tapos pag in-open mo ganun, tapos may nakalagay ng mga gamit or
Cabin yun.
cabinet.
Cabinet. What is the color of the balls?
Color.
Where is the color of the vegetables?
What kind of balls are you talking about?
I mean the vegetables. It's so soft and it has
Talaga ba? I thought
we
you
are
have a balls.
we are I don't have a balls. I already removed it. I put it in my bag.
Wait mo lang eh.
Those girls are... Do you want gum?
Yes.
Then buy some. Yeah, I will. If they have a gum, I will buy it.
Wow, himala ah.
Yeah, for you. Because this will be the last time. Yes, darling. Uy, bagay. Future yan. They have a bubble gum. 5 nga pong bubble gum.
Bili daw po siya 10 surupan.
Can you hold this? Some
Ano
the...
yan?
Here, 5 pesos. 5 nga pong gum ko.
Wala si Ar, wala ka basurahan. Ano ba may basurahan?
Uy, I will check our class now. Hi. I will check it because we're cleaning our room because later we have today is a hard day. Ha? Pasok nyo na yung kuwan bang kuwan? Ha? Ay, magpasok na! Ay, magpasok na nga! Dali! Ay, ala talagang nakikinig. Guide! Ay, pasok nyo na bangkuan nyo. Bangkuan nyo lang. Bangkuan nyo. Ay, pare! Pasok mo na yung bangkuan natin. Nyo. Ate Shaira, pagpasok na po yung bangkuan nyo. Bangkuan nyo lang. Huwag nyo pasok ng iba. Bala sila dyan. Naglinis ka, di naman kinuha yung basahan.
Sorry ah!
Oo, apology accepted. Kanina bangkuan to? Bakit yung kuhan nandito? Nakalapag. You know, I am the president of this section. But I don't even have like a chair. Nag-check ka na attendance? Attendance? Kanino to? Akin na lang to. Ako yung president pero wala kang bangkuan. I told you I'm going to post that. Where's the balloon?
Wala, nasa lumang Yes, kasi iba lang.
Hindi, ako nagpalit na itong pinalit ko.
Ako nagpalit na to.
Hindi, ako nagpalit na. Di ba una yan? Green.
No, it's new po.
Di ba?
Isa bago, it's new. Dalawa ni white. Hindi binay na. Kasi nga, puno-puno na be.
Okay. Kumbaga, Shaira. Ate Shaira. Ate Ira. Eleven no depends. Ano yung 15? Ano yung 15? Happy birthday na God.
Magiging partner nyo dyan is babae. Kapag lalaki ka, babae partner mo. Kapag lalaki, babae ka, lalaki partner mo. Parang gano'n. Hanggang
Ay, paano kung bakla?
Ay!
Di ka ba nag-lunch? Wala kang lunch? Di ka magla-lunch? Bakit di ka magla-lunch? Ay, bakit?
Uy mo naman antay ko nga siya pupunta siya dito.
Research siya sa PPG.
Paano nga?
Ha?
Paano?
Pag binibigay niya yung product,
King dun ka nga. Si King naman.
Papakita lang sa video, ayaw niya pa.
ay, alam mo ba, Louie?
Yeah.
11 pa yun ah.
Puro ako kuha ng ano.
Puro ka.
Design ako ng damit mo.
Ay, totoo ba?
Hindi ko nga i-screenshot kasi kukuha sa story.
Ayan nga, buburahin mo din agad pag nasali mo sa akin.
Paano man ang picture mo na lang sa phone?
Wala kang storage na, di ako eh.
Ay, paano mo i-screenshot yun? Isasalin mo dyan?
Hindi ah,
Baka naka-vlog ako. Ano, lahat na lang kayo bin-vlog
O isipin mo na yung kwan.
Hindi ko nga alam sa'yo, basta mag-check ka lang sa akin.
Because you are kwan, you are too beautiful. Yes.
Kaya daw naka-block ka sa kanya. Insecure daw siya.
I'm too insecure.
Sense ka siguro sa akin.
Oo. Lalo na isang to.
Wow, pala.
Ay, hindi ka naka-block. Binago ko yung password. 1 to 8 na.
Ikaw lang mabubusan pa pa ko ng PC.
O bakit? Ako naman bumili.
Mami nga!
Bango.
Ay, may bayad yan ah.
How much that?
119.
Ang bango na ano? PC. Ay, for.
Oo.
Ayun!
Kagulo ng buko sa amin. Uy, lalagyan ko yan ng grayan ng kwan. Sinimulan mo na nga eh.
Ano mukha to?
Sunscreen yan.
Ay, sunscreen na tayo. Hindi ba ito lotion?
Hindi. Sunscreen yan baka lang.
Okay lang.
Okay. Di ba kung mamaya may irritation ka dun? Matapang.
Ay, totoo ba?
Ay, wala nang nutrition ball, di ba?
Wala pa.
Meron na to.
Sabi nung
Ay, sakol lang yun kasi sa magaganda dito.
talaga ko eh. Hindi ka talo doon.
So, hello everyone. So, now I'm home. Just like I said earlier, we have just like I said earlier, we have a card day. Yeah. So, by the way, this is our uniform. Yeah. It's pretty hard. It's pretty hard. Hard. What the heck? It's pretty hot. Sorry. My point, I'm so bulol. I don't know how to wait. I want a natural light. Let's open hot though. So yeah, the video will end here because I'm kind of sleepy and tired too. And yeah, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell and then share if you want it. Thank you for watching.